Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start our new unit 2.5 Order of Operation. In this unit we are going to learn about BODMAS. What is BODMAS? Whenever we have more than one operation, mathematical operation in a sentence, in a mathematical sentence, we follow the fixed rule which is called BODMAS. BODMAS means first we have to solve the bracket, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and in the last we have to solve the subtraction. So BODMAS means bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now let's solve the question. Solve the following using BODMAS rule. We have a question 15 plus 2 minus 3 plus 5 divided by 8. And according to BODMAS, first we have to solve the bracket. Solution. First we write the question as it is and then solve the bracket first. So in bracket we have one operation, mathematical operation, which is addition. So first we add 3 and 5, and when we add 3 and 5 we get 8. So we write 15 plus 2 minus 3 plus 5 8 and then divided by 8. Now we have addition, subtraction and division in this sentence, and according to BODMAS we have to do division first. So first we divide 8 by 8. So when we divide 8 by 8 we got 8, and when we divided by 8 we got 8 ones are 8. So the quotient is 1, and quotient is our answer. So I have written 1. Now we have two operations, mathematical operations, addition and subtraction, and according to BODMAS first we have to solve the addition. So first I have add 15 plus 2, so we got 17. Now minus 1. Now we have to subtract 17, 1 from 17. So when we subtract 1 from 17 we got 16. Let's take another example. 360 divided by 40 minus 16 divided by 4. In this question we have a bracket and we have two operations in a bracket. So when we have two operations, according to BODMAS we have to solve the division first. So solution. Write the question as it is. 360 divided by 40 minus 16 divided by 4, and first we divide 16 and 4, and when we divide 16 and 4 we got we have to divide 16 by 4. So when we divide 16 by 4 we got 4 4s are 16. 16 comes in the table of 4. When we multiply 4 by 4 we got 16. So this is the way. 16 divided by 4 we got 4. Now we have bracket and we have subtraction in bracket. So first we have to solve the bracket. So 40 minus 4, 40 minus 4, 0 minus 4, we cannot subtract 4 from 0, so we take carry from 4, it's become 3, and the 0 becomes 10. So when we subtract 4 from 10 we got 6 and 3. So 40 minus 4 we got 36. Right. Now we have 360 divided by 36. So we have to divide 360 by 36. So we write 36 as a divisor and 360 as a dividend. Like this. Now 36, we have two digits in divisor, so we have to take two digits from the dividend, and we have 36 in the dividend, so we divide 36 by 36. When we multiply it by 1, we got 36. Now we have 0 left in the dividend, and when we have 0 in the dividend, we shift it to the quotient. So when we divide 36 by 360, we got 10. Let's take another example. In this question, we don't have bracket, we have just mathematical operations. So according to BODMAS, first we have to do the division. So first we write the question as it is, and then first we have to divide 52 by 4. So 52 divided by 4, we have one digit as in a divisor, so we have to take first digit from the dividend. So we have first digit is 5, and 5 is greater than 4, so we have to write the number which is less than 5, and it's 4. So 4 ones are 4, and when we subtract 4 from 5, we got 1, and then copy 2. Now we have 12 as a dividend, and 12 comes in the table of 2 when we multiply it by 3 times. So 4 threes are 12. So the quotient is 13. 87, write the question as it is. 87 minus 23 multiplied by 2 plus 6 plus the answer of the division of 52 divided by 4 is 13. Now in second step, after doing the division, we have to do the multiplication according to BODMAS. So when we multiply, we have to multiply 23 by 2, and when we multiply 23 by 2, we got 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6, and 2 2s are 4. So we got 46. Now 87 minus the answer of 23 multiplied by 2 is 46 plus 6 plus 13. Again, according to BODMAS, we have to do the addition, and we have to add 3 numbers. So first we add 2 numbers, 46 plus 6. When we add 46 plus 6, we got 52, and then plus 13. So 52 plus 13 is 65. Now we have to do the subtraction. We have to subtract 65 from 87, and the answer is 22. I hope you all have understood. Jazakallah and Allah Hafiz.